In this video, I will show you how to download Warzone 3 PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're here on the PS5 home screen. So what you're going to want to do first is come across to the PlayStation Store. Then if you go down and then press up on your controller, you're going to come up to these options at the top. So what you want to do is go all the way to the right to this search icon and then press X on your controller. And what you need to do next is press X again onto the search box and then just go ahead and type Warzone into here. Now generally after you've put a few letters in, it's going to appear just underneath, so you can see we've got Call of Duty showing up here. So now just go ahead and press X onto the game, and it's going to take you to the game screen. So from here you're going to want to select download and then press X onto your controller, and you're going to get some different install options. So you can see we've got Warzone and we've just got Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. So what you can do is come down to the bottom and press X onto install options. As you can see, it's going to install some additional items such as the campaign packs and Modern Warfare 2 Warzone 2. Now if you don't want to do this, you can go ahead and uncheck the boxes just like so, and that's going to speed up the download, but once that's done, just come down and press OK. So now what you need to do is go ahead and select Warzone from here and then come down and press onto install. As you can see, it's now getting ready to download and install Warzone 3, and you can see this is now starting to download on PS5. So if you want to check on the progress of the download, what you can do on your controller is go ahead and press the PlayStation button, which is the little control center button here. And once you do that, you're going to get a screen come up like this. If you come down to the bottom and you want to come across to here where it says download uploads and press X, you can see the current progress of Call of Duty. So it's currently calculating at the moment, but you can see there is an icon there that says ready to play, which means once it has downloaded so much of the game, there's going to be a point where it will be available to play. Of course, once the game has finished downloading, what's going to happen is the game's going to show up here. You can see the icon here, and once that's finished downloading and it's ready to play, you're going to be able to press X onto it and it will say ready to play. As you can see at the moment, you can't play it straight away because you do need to wait for a certain amount of data for the game to be downloaded to start playing the part of the game that's installed. So that is how to download Warzone 3 PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.